Astronauts avoid burping in space because it can go horribly wrong. On Earth, burping is easy. Gas goes up, food stays down. But in space, no gravity means your stomach becomes a floating mess of liquid, food, and air. So if you burp, it's not just gas that comes up. Astronauts call it a wet burp. And trust me, you don't want to experience it. That's why they're super careful. Because in zero gravity, vomit doesn't just fall, it floats. Now imagine you're in a tiny spaceship dodging chunks of someone's floating regret. Zero gravity dodgeball, but with puke. So next time you burp, be grateful for gravity. Because in space, it's a game you don't want to lose. Would you risk a burp in zero gravity? Let me know down below in the comments.